where innovation meets awe-inspiring machinery. In this 5th edition of Spectacular Engineering Marvels Unveiled, we'll explore groundbreaking technology revolutionizing construction and mining. Brace yourself for precision, strength, and innovation like never before. Number 1, let's kickstart with the Dynacore DX500 bucket wheel. Excavator, a true colossus redefining the landscape of mining technology. Witness its monumental rotating wheels. Armed with mighty buckets capable of handling vast mountains of material effortlessly. In the domain of open-pit mining, the DX500 reigns supreme. Akin to a powerhouse vacuum, effortlessly clearing overburden and waste material. Efficiency is its hallmark. It scoffs at trivial loads. Designed to handle immense volumes, dominating in coal mining, lignite extraction, and beyond. Maintaining this technological marvel demands consistent attention due to its sheer scale and complexity. The Dynacore DX500 stands as a testament to unparalleled mining prowess in the modern age. Number 2, introducing the PowerHaul PH450 bulldozer, a robust construction machine designed for exceptional performance. Driven by a high-powered PowerHaul diesel engine, this bulldozer excels in heavy-duty tasks with remarkable efficiency. Its formidable blade effortlessly handles various materials, making it ideal for rigorous grading and pushing tasks, weighing between 50,000 to 60,000 pounds. It dominates challenging terrains with ease. Equipped with sturdy tracks designed for stability and traction on diverse landscapes, the PowerHaul PH450 ensures reliable operation in demanding conditions. Safety features include advanced ROPS and FOPS for operator protection, prioritizing well-being on the job site. The PowerHaul PH450 bulldozer epitomizes power, durability, and safety, making it an indispensable asset for efficient construction projects. Number 3, enter the Hitachi ZX890L CR6 excavator, an engineering marvel designed for colossal excavation endeavors, boasting a 603 HP engine. It's a powerhouse in the world of digging. Its bucket, an impressive 5.1 cubic meters, swiftly scoops up materials with finesse, with a maximum digging depth of 31.5 feet. It's the precision excavator that delves deep into the heart of construction tasks. Number 4, Komatsu PC400 mining shovel, stands tall as the epitome of raw power. Powered by a formidable 2,000 HP engine, it's a mining colossus. With a shovel capacity reaching 33 cubic meters, it devours ore with relentless efficiency, weighing a staggering 855,000 pounds. It's a giant amidst mining equipment, relentlessly extracting minerals from the Earth's bosom. Number 5, behold the Kobelco SK3500D crawler crane, a titan in the art of lifting and precision maneuvering, carrying a lifting capacity of 3,500 tons. It defies limitations with ease. Its telescopic boom reaches to a staggering height of 790 feet, hoisting loads to vertiginous elevations. Imbued with cutting-edge technology, it's the definitive heavyweight in the world of cranes. Number 6, enter the Caterpillar 24 motor grader, the paragon of grading perfection in construction, with a robust 500 HP engine. It's the precision artist shaping roads and surfaces. Its blade spans a majestic 24 feet. Ensuring accuracy and smoothness in grading operations, weighing a solid 68,000 pounds. It's the unyielding force behind the refinement of construction landscapes. Number 7, we present the Liebherr R9800 excavator, a titan in the mining domain, boasting an incredible 4,000 HP engine. It's the epitome of sheer power and efficiency. Its colossal bucket capacity of 47.5 cubic meters excavates mountains effortlessly, with a reach that plunges 32 feet into the ground. It's the unparalleled excavator that reshapes the mining industry. Number 8, introducing the Doosan DX800LC7 crawler excavator, an engineering marvel designed for heavy-duty excavations, fueled by a 581 HP engine. It's a force to reckon with in digging operations. Its bucket capacity of 4.5 cubic meters enables swift material handling, while its maximum digging depth of 30 feet ensures precision in excavation tasks. This machine redefines the standards of heavy excavation. Prowess. Number 9. Enter the JCB S370 excavator. An epitome of power and agility in construction operations, with a commanding 275 HP engine. It's a versatile excavator suited for various tasks, boasting a bucket capacity of 1.6 cubic meters. It efficiently handles diverse materials. Its digging depth of 25 feet showcases its prowess in precision digging, making it a vital asset in the construction arsenal. Number 10. In the mining universe, the Caterpillar 6015B hydraulic shovel stands tall as a symbol of brute strength and efficiency. Powered by a robust 1060 HP engine, it's a giant in the excavation realm, with a shovel capacity of 26 cubic meters. It swiftly extracts and loads materials with finesse, weighing an impressive 298,000 pounds. It's a true heavyweight excavator redefining mining operations. Number 11. Concluding our list is the Komatsu HM400-5 articulated dump truck, a workhorse in the transportation of heavy materials, driven by a 473 HP engine. It's a reliable giant in material hauling tasks. Its 40-ton payload capacity ensures efficient transport of vast amounts of materials across rugged terrains. Engineered for durability and efficiency, it's the dependable partner in heavy material logistics. Number 12. The Hitachi A5000AC-3 dump truck. An imposing figure in the realm of hauling and transportation, driven by a robust 1850 HP engine. It's a titan in material transportation. Its 326-ton payload capacity ensures efficient and massive material transport across rugged terrains, engineered for durability and efficiency. It's a relentless workhorse in heavy-duty material logistics. Number 13. Behold the Terex AC1000-9 all-terrain crane. A versatile powerhouse in lifting tasks across diverse landscapes, carrying a lifting capacity of 1,200 tons. It maneuvers seamlessly over challenging terrains, with its telescopic boom reaching up to 164 meters. It's an epitome of precision and safety in lifting operations, making it an indispensable asset in the construction arena. Number 14. The Volvo A60H articulated hauler emerges as an icon in heavy material transportation, driven by a formidable 600 HP engine. It's a reliable workhorse in hauling vast quantities of materials with a 55-ton payload capacity. It effortlessly navigates through tough terrains, ensuring efficient material movement in construction and mining applications. Number 15. Concluding our list is the Komatsu GD6557 motor grader. A symbol of precision and efficiency in road construction and grading, powered by a robust 118 HP engine. It's a master of shaping roads and surfaces. Its 14-foot blade ensures accuracy and smoothness in grading operations, making it an indispensable asset in refining construction landscapes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.